Standard 2nd, Science, chapter number 12, Seasons and Clothing. Here, weather. The air around us is sometimes hot and sometimes cold. When it is hot, we say that the day is hot. When it is cold, we say that the day is cold. When we say about the day that it is hot or cold, we talk about the weather. Means here they are talking that whenever we are feeling hot, at that time we are telling that whenever we are feeling sometimes hot, sometimes cold, right? So when it happen, when it is hot, we say that it is a hot day. When it is cold, at that time we are telling that it is a cold day. So this hot and cold, it is called the weather. Clear? Seasons. When a particular type of weather remain for a month or two, it is called a season. There are three main seasons in India. That three types of season is there, and whenever it is remaining for example, you are feeling cold, means for 2-3 months you are feeling cold. It means what? That it is a winter season. When it is raining for 2-3 months, right? So it is a rainy season. Okay, total 4 months it is, but sometimes we are feeling cold, sometimes feeling rainy, sometimes feeling hot, right? So it is 3 season. So which season is this? Summer, winter and rainy season. So here in the first topic it is given summer. We have summer in April, May and June. Total 4 months it is there, but when it starts, actually it starts from April, May and June. The sun shines directly over us during this month. This makes the air very warm. It is very hot during the summer. So in these 3 months you will feel very hot, means very warm, due to direct sunlight, okay, on us. So it is very hot during the summer season. We can keep ourselves cool by wearing loose white cotton clothes. So during winter season we have to wear cool white cotton clothes, and it is we have to wear loose clothes also. Then we will feel little bit cool. Otherwise we will feel hot or warm. We use fan, cooler, air and conditions in summer. As it is very hot during this season, we sweat a lot. So we need to drink plenty of water. So during summer we have to drink lots of water, plenty of water, and because of that, if we will drink lots of water, then we will not feel much hot. We should avoid soft drink and ice creams. They are harmful for health. So students, those who are eating much ice cream and cold drinks, so stop drinking cold drinks and ice cream, because it is very harmful to our health. People likes to go hill station in summer. The weather is pleasant and cool at hill station during the summer. Hill stations means what? That the place is very cool and pleasant, and at that place it is just like a tourist place. Okay, so people are much preferring to go during summer at the hill stations. Rainy season. In the rainy season, dark clouds appear in the sky. There is lightning and thunder. Then it's rain. We carry umbrellas or wear raincoats and gumboots to go out in the rain. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky during the rainy season. So here up to here what they have explained, that in rainy season dark cloud appear in the sky, means the clouds are very dark means you can see that black clouds, you can see in the picture also. Okay, there is a lightning and thunder. Lightning means you can see at night, lightning it is there in the sky, and then it is rain. So afterwards what it happened, rain will fall. We carry umbrellas or wear raincoat. You can see here take umbrella and wear raincoat also, and gumboots. Gumboots means you see in the picture that boy has wear gumboot. Okay, so up to knee length it is coming, that shoes, so it is called gumboot. to go out in the rain. Sometimes we see rainbow in the sky during the rainy season. So after raining we can see the rainbow, but not every time, but sometimes we can see. Our farmers eagers wait for the rainy season. Rain provide water for the crops to grow. Why farmers are eagerly waiting for rainy season? Because rain provide water for the crops to grow. Do you know? From June to September, cold and wet winds blow from the sea to the land. These winds carry rain and they are called monsoon. Now here they have given winter. We have winter from December to February every year. During this season, the days are short and nights are long. So as the winter starts, the day will become short and nights are long. So now which season will come? Winter season will come. Okay, rainy season completed, and now what will come? Winter season. So now the day will become short and nights are long. Cloud winds blow during these months. We wear woolen clothes like sweater and coat to keep ourselves warm. To keep ourselves warm, what we are wearing? Sweaters, coats, then gloves, scarf, okay, muffler, everything we are wearing, that which is made from woolen clothes. We enjoy taking hot drinks like tea, coffee and hot food. We are drinking sometimes soup also, right? Some people also use heater or light small fires to keep warm. So sometimes we are using heater and sometimes we are lighting fire. That bonfire we are doing, and afterwards what we are doing? We keep our body warm. Okay. Now there are two more seasons, autumn and spring. In the month of October and November, the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. So during these 2 months, October and November, we will not feel much hot or not we will feel much cold. The trees shed their leaves. This is called autumn season. In the month of March and April, the weather is again neither too cold nor too hot. So flowers bloom and the tree have new leaves during this time. So here in the autumn season, the leaves will, the tree shades their leaves, and afterwards in the month of March and April again flower blooms and tree have new leaves during this season. This is called spring season. Okay, so here we have talked about two more seasons. It is autumn and spring. So now you understand this. So up to here we have completed our chapter explanation, and in the next video I will show you the answer key of this chapter.